Today we are going to perform the experiment on determination of phase sequence. Objective of today's experiment is to determine the supply phase sequence. For that we are using one 10 microfarad capacitor, two incandescent lamps, each are rated with the 230 volts 100 watts, and also we are using one 3-phase variac. Here 3-phase variac input supply is fixed, that is 415 volts 50 Hz AC supply, and output is varied from 0 to 470 volts, and output 3-phase variac R is connected to the 10 microfarad capacitor phase terminal. Output of 3-phase variac B terminal is connected to the incandescent lamp 2 phase terminal. Output of Y terminal of 3-phase variac is connected to the incandescent lamp 1 terminal. And then all the neutral points of 10 microfarad capacitor, two incandescent lamps are connected to one fixed point. It is called a neutral point. This is the 3-phase 415 volts 50 Hz AC supply. This AC supply is given to the 3-phase auto transformer input, and output R, Y, B terminals we are taking. These are the R, Y, B terminals of 3-phase output of 3-phase variac. Output terminals of 3-phase auto transformer R, Y, B have been connected here, and in between R and B we have connected one multimeter. Here we have used one TPST switch, triple pole single through switch, for making connection simple. Here it is R. For R phase, R terminal is connected to the 10 microfarad capacitor phase terminal, one terminal, and Y terminal is connected to the lamp 1, and B terminal is connected to the lamp 2, and secondary terminals of lamps and capacitor are connected at one fixed point. It is called a neutral point. We have made the connections by using this circuit diagram. Now we are going to apply the auto transformer output voltage to this setup. If the lamp 1 gives the more brightness, more intensity than lamp 2, then it indicates the RYB phase sequence. If lamp 2 gives the more intensity than lamp 1, then it indicates the RBY phase sequence. Now we are going to switch on the MCB, and then we are going to give the 3-phase auto transformer output to some value. Now we have applied the 334 line voltage. If we observe the light intensities of both the lamps, light intensity of lamp 1 is more when compared to light intensity of lamp 2. It means this phase is connected to Y and this phase is connected to B. It means this phase sequence is RYB phase sequence. Now I am going to reduce the auto transformer output to 0 volts. We have got RYB phase sequence. If we want to get RBY phase sequence from the supply, for that we need to interchange any two terminals in the auto transformer output. We have interchanged the two terminals in the auto transformer output. Now we are going to set the same voltage 334 volts. Now if you observe light intensities of both the lamps, light intensity of lamp 2 is giving more intensity than light intensity of lamp 1. It indicates the RBY phase sequence. Now I am going to reduce the auto transformer output to 0 volts, and then I am going to switch off the MCB.